Hello, I am Aditi. The question is, as per the author, steroids are in demand with sports persons for the following reasons except, and the correct solution is option number 3. They help in reducing the pulse and blood pressure. Option 3 is the only exception to the question over here. All the other 3 options are incorrect because they are stated in the passage. Let us see. Option 1. They promote development of muscles. It is clearly given in the beginning of the paragraph, which says that they promote the development of muscles. Option 2. They increase oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. It is given at the end of the passage that they increase the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. And option number 4, they reduce fatigue and speeds up recovery after physical exertion. Again given in the first paragraph, it says that it reduces fatigue and speeds up recovery after physical exertion. Hence, option number 1, 2 and 4 are clearly mentioned, whereas option number 3 is nowhere given in the passage. Its opposite is stated, saying that steroids carry many risks. They may damage the heart by causing expansion of the cardiac muscle. Hence, option 3 is the correct solution. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Aditi. The question is, which steroid is not being used by sportsmen? And the correct solution is option number 1, gestrinone. All the other options, option 2, tetrahydrogestrinone, that is THG, is incorrect because it has been given. It is used by sportsmen. Option 3, ephedrine, again used by sportsmen. And option 4, erythropoietin, is again used by the sportsmen. Gestrinone is the only steroid which is mentioned that was detectable, and hence it was transformed into tetrahydrogestrinone so that it would not be detectable anymore. Therefore, the correct solution is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Aditi. The question is, what as per the passage is not a harmful side effect of steroids? The correct solution is option number 3. It can harm the prefrontal cortex and thalamus. Option number 3 is nowhere mentioned in the passage. Hence, this is the correct answer, because option number 1, it promotes growth of facial bones such as jaw and cheek, is given in the passage. Option number 2, it damages the heart by causing expansion of cardiac muscle, is also mentioned in the passage again. And option number 4, it can cause cancer, has again been given in the passage itself. Therefore, the only option which is not stated in the passage is option number 3. Hence, the solution is answer 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Aditi. The question is, according to the passage, which statement is incorrect? And the solution is option number 3. The addition of 4 hydrogen atoms converts gestrinone into tetrahydrogestrinone, which is undetectable by standard tests. All the other options, option number 1, this makes steroids especially attractive to sprinters, weightlifters and throwers, is incorrect because it has been picked up directly from the passage. Option 2, erythropoietin is used by cyclists and long distance runners to increase the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood, again taken from the last paragraph of the passage. And option 4, steroids provide chemical shortcut to strength and endurance taken in the beginning of the passage. Hence, all of these find mention in the passage. Whereas option number 3, the addition of 4 hydrogen atoms converts gestrinone into tetrahydrogestrinone, which is undetectable by standard tests. This is incorrect because along with the hydrogen atoms, some other clever bit of work by chemists was also added to it. Hence, the correct solution is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.